Okay guys, so as someone who has tried so many ways to make money online, I can tell you that typing job is one of the easiest ways that I found that you can actually make some money fast for yourself, especially as a beginner. And the best part is all you need is just a laptop, an earphone or a headset, an ability to type. And even if you don't know anything about typing, I also got you covered in this video because I'm going to be sharing with you typing jobs that you can earn up to like $3,000 a month if you're very serious and dedicated into doing this. And you know what they're actually looking for is your speed and your accuracy. That is what is needed, and you can work whenever and wherever you want. So let's get started with how to know your speed and your accuracy as a beginner. So to get started, you're going to come to this website, typingtest.com, where you're going to see 1 minute test and the other minutes like timing of the tests here. And then you're going to see the type of test, like they are easy, medium, hard, benchmark, certificate, all those categories here. So what you're going to do now is you click where it says start test, depending on the one you have chosen for yourself. And once you wait for that to load, and once it has loaded, you just keep typing. So once you're done testing yourself, you're going to see that it's going to show you the results of your typing speed and accuracy and everything you need to do, like in terms of your word per minute, everything is going to show here. Okay, now so with these results that you saw here, you can actually retake the test as many times as possible. This will help you to practice your speed and accuracy. And of course, you can use the sample of this result. Maybe you take a screenshot and attach it to your application later, or application process you're going to be undergoing while applying to these jobs I'm going to be sharing with you in a couple of minutes. So you see why you really need to do this to prepare yourself, especially as a beginner. You can do this over and over time you get better at typing with speed and accuracy, so you get more jobs, because remember, the more you work, the more you earn more money. So let's go over to the first website we're going to be talking about, where you're going to be finding these typing jobs as a beginner. So the first typing job we're going to talk about is one that pays an average typical transcriber $450 per month, and if you're very serious, you earn up to $3,000 per month doing typing job. And the good thing is you get to select the type of typing jobs you get to do on this platform. All they need you to do is to submit an application. You're going to take a test. That is why I showed you the website I showed you earlier, to prepare you to be able to take this test and to know what to write about. By the time you start, your application process, you can boast about the number of words you can type per minute, knowing it from the test you have taken. So those are the things you start to gain on this website. Now, once you have made application, you're going to select the job you're going to do, and then you do the job and get paid. Now they pay you bi-weekly. That is, they pay you once every 2 weeks. That is at the accumulation of all the work you have done for 2 weeks. They pay you for that, and then you do for another 2 weeks, you get paid for doing the same job. So this is how it works here. The transcription can come from any audio file or from video files, from any field like medical field or legal field, anything at all that they have for you. And of course, you get to choose the one you get work with on this platform. So the name of the website is Happy Scribe. So you can check it out and make application, and hopefully it works for you. They are very much interested in building a global community. So wherever you are around the world, you can apply to this website. So the next website we're going to talk about is one that needs you to have attention to detail. You should be able to use some transcription software. You should be able to have the typing speed of at least 50 words per hour, and you should be able to proofread every material that you have typed by yourself, like do some minor editing to the jobs you have done. Now, this website needs you to allocate 10 to 20 hours of your time per week to do the job they have, and they are going to pay you from $75 to $120 per hour of every material that they have given you. Now, this is different from doing per hour job. What it means is that if they give you an hour video and you are to transcribe this, even if it takes you 100 years to finish the transcription, they're still going to give you the payments within the range of $75 to $120. So you have that in mind. That is why you need to practice ahead of time to increase your speed, so you get to do these jobs with little time and do more jobs to get more money. So that is basically what they expect of you to have on this website. You should be able to manage your time effectively. Now, the name of this website is daily transcription. I'm going to leave the link to all these websites in the comment section where you can easily find them and apply to one. So if you're a beginner, they're really looking for people with 0 to 2 years experience. You can get started on this website and hopefully it works for you. Now, before we move on to the last website, please take time out. If you've gotten value from this video so far, like this video so others can see and learn from it, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any videos we're going to make in the future. Thank you so much for your support. Now, moving on, the last website we're going to talk about for this video, it's one that is based in the United States, and they're looking for transcriptionists. Now, they're going to test you like the other websites. You're going to be tested to be able to know your speed and accuracy before you start working with them, and you should be 18 years and above. However, this particular website is not really available in all the countries, but they have lots of other countries that they are available in where you can check and get started working with them if you are eligible on the platform. Now, another thing you need to know is that this website will pay you 8.5 cents to over $1 for 1 minute of audio transcription you do for them on the website, and this can vary. And of course, for the test, depending on the location, it might vary. Some people in the United States might not really have to take this test, whereas people in some African countries or Asian countries may be asked to take this test. Another thing you need to know about this website is that they pay you every Friday by 10 a.m. Pacific time. So you have to check what 10 a.m. Pacific time is in your own local time, so you know when to expect your payment. And of course, the payments are made via PayPal, so you must have a PayPal account to be able to receive every payment you're going to earn from all these platforms, because that is the easiest way for them to get to pay you for the work you have done for them on the platform. So that's basically what you need to know. As a beginner, you have to practice to know your speed and accuracy, and then make application, and hopefully it works for you. Now, if you're looking for a way to do transcription jobs with accuracy and somewhat of speed, you might want to check out this video where I explained how you can do that with little or no stress. And if you're looking for daily paying remote jobs, also check out this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't fail to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.